Rest. Oh, this man never can be a yard, you know. Never can be a yard. Rest. Man up.
Ease up and do
I just say that, relax yourself, man. Don't trouble come for you. What you deal with you? I'm going to check two girls up the road. What you say? Up to it?
What you say? Where they there?
Can't believe you saying no more I want. I two girls be passing in the area. Right up there, so. You don't know, say, me, you know. Me come here every day that phone with a call, as a matter of fact. That's why I come bang on the door. Yo, me say the girl up there, I don't want to go up there look. You know, saying one man go for two girls a problem. Nothing now go run. So you're forward or you're not forward. Just make me know if I know. So me know if me want to go up there by myself.
What you mean if me a forward? You know if a girl business, me have to involve. So come on, go look for your girl them right now. For a girl you know so I'm ready, like Freddy.
No, you're talking. Let's move it, boy.
So hot girl around there.
You could have asked that some nice skin girl.
Yo, me always hear you talk about girl now. I always want lagged girl, me hear you talk about in a papa.
A lagged girl might better one than a gear bone.
No, brother, I want a lagged girl daddy. Hot girl more. Talk about Brazilian hair, long nails, pedicure.
Really like?
Oh, you mean daddy?
I like a girl with her bushy hair.
Boy.
Call it no.
Sorry for you. Sorry for you.
Thoroughly. Thoroughly. What? I kill her.
Okay, how are you hot girl in over there? Where you in there?
What's that for, man?
Nothing on the veranda.
She inside, man. Thoroughly.
Call up him on them then, man.
That's what I'm phone now. That's the man. She come on, man. She must hear me.
Call.
I'm not call woman palm banger. Let's relax, man.
I could have that I call me, you know.
Oh, she coming.
Oh, are you? We can't deal with it right now. You have to come back later. Alright.
But my love is still here.
Alright. I'm kind of busy now, so you have to come back later.
So, Papa, I can't really come around on my youth. Woman style me.
Relax, my youth. Just relax, man. I just one girl, lad.
All you not really mean style, though. You in style. You know what I do? I'm a girl on me.
One girl for a bar, what you do? What you going to do? But choke a chicken?
No, man, I'm Alex, I make love down there.
Relax, man. I'm coming and go to the road, man.
So come on then now. Yo, Papa, I know my yard, I'm not going to my youth. That me I tell you.
Listen, man. Listen, man. I'm not sure you come down with, man. Alright, listen, man, youth. I tell you. Let's see how we walk up all day. Every one of them check them busy, them this, them that. I say go. And every day I go bingo. If you're humble can't suck your most milk. So we check 20 of them today. 9 catch. I say go. We don't get none. Them busy. It's just like a busy normal day.
Papa, remember I tell me I some hot girl them daddy. Me I go up with bad man and girl that disrespect me my youth. Me never know say that can't go up with some of me get disrespect. Bad man. Never know my youth. How can I waste mission they can't go up on me. Say hot girl them definitely know two girls up the lane.
This is the part where you know. You know, listen to the word when I say. I say them a hot girl. Me never say them cute. You never go for the end and say yo some hot box them there. That's how you work. Me never say a cute girl. Come on, bro. Me just say yo a hot girl.
Yo, you know say you do. I'm not get one of girl them. I see some one of girl them come out in your youth. And see you back and tell her. Hook one flower back and tell her see you know no style in your youth. Me not go back no with you again. That me I tell you. Now no style, the thing should be done. My youth, I waste all my day. You could have chop all the line, daddy. I tell me boy, I can go look for girl and say my youth. This next time, don't come at me all. I come book me door, come talk about Reds. That matter, don't come back to me next time, daddy. That me I tell you, I'm not depend on them the low movements again.
Listen, me understand what you're trying to tell me, you know. Me stop if I'm choppy line. I don't care if you want chop line or you want this line. But me I tell you see, you tell me something, don't care about one end. You see, tomorrow morning, there was a nice fluffy girl down the road for the check. I said, since I just said, you now roll back with me, don't show up me tomorrow. I said, you come down as a friend.
Hold on. What you say? A nice fluffy girl that come down. You know what, Papa? You have to make me get the girl there, you know. Cause you know, say, a fluffy girl I like, you know. You don't want you playing with me. It's mission. You know?
Look how life funny. The man just cussed me a while ago. So I tap him from choppy line. Me spoil up him whole year, but as a year about the fluffy I come down. You want to see her. But no, yeah, no girl. Cause I'm not too like fluffy girl. I like they look natural, slim as them. But I'm not too have a problem with them. But you want me to know. Relax yourself, man. Just go on home, fresh up, and then tomorrow morning you link me.
Alright then. Tomorrow then you go link your fluffy.
Well, I'm not telling you like a must, but you know. Right, you know, you see the girl team business, you know. You have to keep it down on a level, you know. Because you see what I go on right, you know. Because you remember the man that's in chop in the closet? Right now, him chopping a one right, you know.
Jesus.
And one out here, same thing happen to him, you know. You know what? Let me make sure I tell you this. This thing will change my mind. Everything cancel. You see, if you want to check it fluffy and chop in the closet, you go on, but me I go on my yard, I go chop in the closet.
I mean, I say, I might get good grades, but I'm me alone. I tell the boy, just I hard. I say, no boy, hard, but guess what? I'm seeing I get good grades. Hundreds, A's, and I feel good, brother. You know, sometimes man, I want to get up, but guess what? You have to do it.
For real, man.
Like that, I'll do good.
My daughter, she'll go and go in school still, no? Grades and everything, you know. But it be a bad thing I call upon her name, man, youth.
Yeah?
If you look at 8-year-old girl, my youth, that's not appropriate, then. Be a bad things I call upon her name, man. Where do you say them thief and money, she thief and money, and them things them feel like embarrassed. You know them really?
So she?
Well, I hear saying, boy, she told she move, boy, I have to believe, you see me?
Yeah, for sure she, man. Can't make them give her no bad name, you know, man.
You know when your granny say, if you're going to follow shit on you, at that. Fear fault, because if she never go certain place, her name can't call up certain way. You know what I mean, brother? But I go fix it, man. My mom tell her.
That's how you go, you know.
Yeah,
Girl
man.
putting them things, you know. Can't do harsh on them, you know. Take time with them. Girl picking, that's how you go.
For real, man.
Yeah, man, I with them.
Hello.
What?
You know, say your daughter can't keep your daughter money where me come from. I want to know how it all go, you know.
I mean my daughter thief your money. I don't believe that. What not ever say?
Of course she can't keep my daughter money. So I want to know the money I go now. Ask her how it go.
Look a girl, my daughter thief money from you.
Yes.
Yo, what be on there? You see same thing when I tell about my youth. A be bad things I call upon her name.
My youth. I just want more and my money I come for. Just give me money. I go on and I go here. Come in on a long talking. I just want back my money.
Alright, just worry about your money. Come in and joke.
Collect your money, B.
Well, listen.
Keep your daughter here and keep her out of problem. Come on here, B. We are go home.
Yo, where money there? Where take up? Come on, listen to me now. No, just no bother with it. You hear me say? Just give me the people the money. If you want me, you feel alright. You see me? Because your name been calling up all about the place. Say this a thief and this a... Me no want that to call. Just give me people the money.
But me never,
Give me
I write
people
it so
the
I sit
money.
down all along, me never take up no money. Me dey write it so from money on your phone. Me no know where I talk, but me never steal no money. Me no know where people them a talk, but a lot of them a tell pa me.
Brianna, me no want to beat you.
Daddy.
Listen to me. Me say, me no want to beat you.
Daddy, me never thief no money. Me never thief no money.
Tappy nice, man. Me don't want to hear nothing more fire, you know. Go and go pick one switch. Go and go pick one switch, man.
A little girl could not know nothing, you know. Be a lie, I'm tell upon you, you know. So I keep my little pit in my yard, you know.
You're sorry. You know some just check out mommy and her friend them. You know Sabrina think Sabrina thief money.
So I want to thief money. So I want to thief money and make money no problem. Give me money, man. Give me money. You need, man. You mustn't do that, man. You mustn't touch people things. No, if you do it. Matter of fact, come go down to the mother. Go on. Right now, Rasta want him money, and if he don't there beat her, you little daughter for him money. Come on, down a yard for the mother. Don't do it again.
Somebody think money, they want them family come look like people will damn take money. No, I don't know what them doing.
Jota! Yo, Jota!
Yo!
Where there?
Yo! Power the man!
Boy, I know some me a pass. And here little pitney them attack. And just to find out, say, I said little girl will come here and they talk about him taking money and taking money.
Where say? Where really I talk about? Where I say to me?
Said little girl will come here so with his mother a while ago. Tell your little brother and chick up his mother and take your money. Boy, I can't believe I say little pitney then. And the woman come here and go on with the excitement.
Who here, the little girl, attack? Say her mother, say she chick up her mother and her friend them and get more money.
Said little girl will come here a while ago with his mother.
Yo, stay here, so me so come here.
No, I'm not coming to stay, you know. See money here, you know. So, now I'm tired, you know, but here, you need to go out there and talk to your mother. And hear what go on.
Sorry, man. Sorry all the time you accuse you, you know. You see me? You see it? Them thief the money and then I hear your name I call. That's what I say if you just stay here some man and not come out of the yard, man. And not go a people yard. Because them lie and them wicked and them I make it look like say you.
Daddy, I never go over there today, none tala. Only yesterday I go over there. I never go over there today. I ride there some different morning. And I never go nowhere.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me now. That's your problem, you know. You just don't listen. Me don't want you go over there, none at all. None at all. Because if you never go over there all the while, them couldn't call your name.
Alright then, I'll walk over there.
I'm never tell you something what my old people them used to tell me, say. If you not got follow rules, them own shit by you. You hear me say? Alright. But you don't want nothing to happen to you, yeah?
Hey, you know, so I like your nose ring, do I wish I buy?
Cool suit, DDs, and Macy's.
So which part they located? Because I know that nose ring is nice.
Well, cool suit and my business.
Oh.
And sometimes when we run out, we can get your Macy's or DDs where they sell ear.
Oh.
I'm never born in a lace.
Hey.
Ashani roll me a fella.
Oh, so Ashani made this sing at them. Shani made this song first. Lord God. I'm going to start shot the kind of... I'm going to have to come out.
And you look damn good, brother. You have the skin, you have the body, you have the body, you have the...
You got it all. But you
Yeah,
got
sure,
it
yeah.
okay. You name me. You name me for make a mistake.
Eh. So your boyfriend then?
Me? Never man, Baba. Man a stress, problem and all these things. Me? Single, free and disengaged. Right now, I want one white man or one English man. I want one real businessman or one lawyer or something.
Well, you man them no matter to me as long as they drive and they have money, me alright. Cause I don't like walk.
That means if you own a car
No,
and
no
a
worry,
car
man.
mat.
Don't worry. I shall.
Of
In the name
course.
of God, Miss Wu.
Let it out in the universe, sister. The man all one man march up here right now and just tell us, say, yeah,
You have
me
it.
own a car mat and me I go put your name on it. Right there.
See you
Feel
so.
that.
Call it into existence.
But must so. Other things, I don't say we did all go on the river today, go on a bath and a wash up.
Yo. No, I'm understanding fire.
Fire.
Sorry, my manners, man. Hector Smith, known as Jota. Fire, I'm a virgin still. You see me, I pass through the area, I'm saying that.
Ashley, my name. Ashley.
Yeah, man. What you name?
My name is Care.
Care, for real, man. Tell me, say, fire in the board door.
No fire in the day, but we there.
Yeah, we there.
No, we can't take on we, but you know, say, you like your friends still, probably like drive out to that door. And then I take a walk. Let's say about that.
How would you know you like?
I do me like, man. I like cheat too, you know, but...
Ready.
What's the way I want so far?
Okay.
Why you see a car?
I see a car.
Brush off your dreams come
So,
true.
hold on up, where's the fire in the board door?
Come fire in the day, but we there. Come. We carry. I enjoyed that. Girl! Girl!
Oh no.
Girl! You sick. Get up.
I just dream say you coming up. You did a 6.
No, what the best I come up there? You say, girl? Me and the man go up on the road and I walk up on the road. The man come ask me for front.
I'm just a dream say you go on with yourself in a girl.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Me?
Say any man no go on.
One with what? He want to do it in a car and that type of how he want to make a yard or something. Them can know.
Tappinese. Watch this a mix up on it.
I'm going to What?
You can duck quack.
It look like they deal with him.
You know, so I come here and look for you, though. And when I look across the road, I say, we are per road today. We are there, sir.
Oh, then deal with it, sir.
I'm going to come on my business. How no rate me as a friend? No, say something walk along.
Yeah. Me know say you normally duck out, but you duck right out.
Right
Quack
out.
man.
Quack.
I'm jealous with me and my man.
We love you.
But now worry yourself. My man loves me.
But you're jiggle.
My man loves me.
Alright, quack. Watch out. Hey. Got it. Quack. Yeah.
He's still a quack and go the car.
No, answer. A dog.
They say girl mix up, but she quacks up.
You know, so do I mix up them so you watch people business too much.
Why about the hair? That's why man can go chat to your own.
Oh no. Oh, yes. You know, so do we are going river though.
I move, man. Which river I go?
Big river, me I go. So you now come with me?
Can't go up on the river now, man. I make a slide up on the end. But me I come back come link you, man. I tell you, say something more, man.
You want me? But you don't want to come on river with
But
me.
you give me something on the river.
One. One.
Come on, look nice. Come on, look nice. How do you see your name? Quack, quack.
Quack, quack.
You look like you have money. You can't get a girl from
No money, man, but what you know? Can't go back way in there.
back way that one. Have you buy me 2 pounds of chicken for the master?
Oh, yeah, talk some. I have money. Come in that car, man.
Give me money first.
Come in that car now.
2 pounds of chicken, rice,
Yo, your shit better than
liquor
you,
juice.
No, I'm gonna show you something. Watch out.
Come,
Watch
give
out.
me.
Look here. A foreign money may I give you quack, quack. Cooler, man. Easy, no, man. Just come in that car. Wallace. Come in that car. 20 euro that.
Alright.
Come in, how much food I can buy our clothes. Come in that
That's
car.
your word.
Come in that car, no,
My
man.
leg kind of lock certain way, so we can't take it home. You know what I mean?
Come in that car, man. Just come in that car.
Take it on the back. Quack with you. Quack me.
Stop dog, you know. You must get me a brother, son.
That wicked above bad.
Yo, it's a brown in there coming. Forward, yeah. I try to think and see what I go on, cause yo, she give me some eyes which did it. But me just go on like everything is smooth because I don't know I go already, you know. Don't want a one girl. I can't do the one girl thing, brother.
Yo, you have to have one woman, bro. Cause what you know? You know, make no sense. You know, run up and down with them bag of girls.
Yeah, but I try to think still with a brown in there, cause long time she a crazy. Rough.
Rough, man.
Yeah, man, she a
Yo.
me brother. Come on, say you're right. Let's check it, bro, and I see what I want. So you're right. Big up yourself, you know.
You see one big one, man.
Yeah, man, a big man. Cougar, Ruga. It is what it is, brother. Bless up yourself. Bless up wife for me now. See inside. Alright, manners and respect. Yeah, you don't know, so without Rasta, I can't nice, you know what I mean? Come out of son, we ever talk, man. It's a long time I see you, you know what I mean? Woy, yes, Father. Hallelujah.
Speak your mind.
Speak my mind was stuck on you, you know, because I tell you, say, yo, a long time I think about you, know. I just have to keep it cool, because I don't want you to feel like I don't rush thing. A woman like you, you don't need no jump up and all them stuff. You need somebody to, you know, spend some time, you know what I mean, focus on you, make sure everything works smooth, you know what I mean? Because you look, to a Rasta, you don't share the same religion already, so that's our first step, you know what I mean? So, only thing we have to do is just maintain that vibe there and make it happen. But it's up to you still. I'm not rush you, I'm not force you. It's just happen. You know what I mean?
You
Yeah.
look like you have something to say and you don't want to say it. Just speak your mind, man. Now listen.
Want to. Need
Get
it.
to the point.
I
Yeah?
need it in my life. I'll tell you something, man. You're relevant. You're relevant to me. You're a big man and you know how to do the things then. You've been there, done that, and you know, say, at this point, you don't want nobody to play with you. You know what I mean? But me want you. You need it. You understand? So, I don't know if we can make it work, and we want it to work. So just let me know if, you know what I mean, we can get started. I'm going to take care of it. I'm talk about take care, I'm not talk about no half thing.
Hold on right there, son. Hold on there. You really think some me don't want you?
Me?
Fi do what?
Last to get a proper massage. You know, when last man they rub on your body. You know what I mean? Caress you and make sure say, yo, you will penetrate straight. When last that happened to you?
You forgot something.
What forget?
Me and you are friends long time. Me not expect this from you. You don't know say me no want you. If me did want you, me would have did long time. You forgot to me your woman a friend? And you come and look me? Man like you, me not do it. Cause you seem like how you go diss up your woman for me and me your friend. I understand you start talk about massage and one if or something. You explain my problem them to you? Don't bother with it.
So you really have put it?
Come on, me no want you, me your friend. We are friends.
You both can excel to the next step.
No, me don't want you.
You sure?
Me sure say me no want you. We are just friends.
Everything good still. You done say what you say, and me done say what I say. You just now work out. Everything good. Yes, sir.
My body you want cut
No,
off.
man, no that, man. Everything good, man.
Stay with your woman.
Yeah, man.
Too much woman.
Holy man will lie.
Keep your things in your pants. And if you learn to satisfy, that me not like we do.
On here, yeah. Mama.
Afternoon.
You do everything alright?
Yeah, man.
My God, I say me just a pass and I see him half a turn back. You know what I mean? Something that strike me eye, you know? So, something I buy in that place, huh?
Not really, but you can buy me so much.
What you say? Service! That's a lady come like she hot like a fire. What about mama? Everything alright?
No.
Alright.
No.
Come back water.
Hot or cold?
Hot.
So tell me something a minute more. You know me talk to you outside no more. You know what I mean?
Okay.
I'm nice to get to know you a little bit. Don't forget the water, mama.
Oh.
What do you mean?
Name Apple.
Apple name?
Yeah.
Oh, apple to apple, plum to plum. Hi! I'm here still, you know, I see how me can't tell me here for you and thing. You know what I mean? Like a strong body and all these things. You know if something can work for you guys. You know, means that in a brother can take care of you.
So hold on there. So true you buy me one bottle of water down and shop a while ago. You feel like say you can look me?
Yeah, man, you are going. This is start from, you know. You know what I mean? We can't go up and start at some place. We can't just get up and then wait till it.
But me have my man.
You have your man?
Yeah.
But me have my own man too. What's up with the case so we can work out something?
You know say you're a dirty man. You have your woman and me I tell you say me have my man. And you still a dry it out, still a look me. As a matter of fact, hold back your water, I'm not thirsty. It's a dirty man, you. You just want to jump in on my panties, so one bucket of water make all of this. As a matter of fact, go on home to your woman, because I go home to my man.
You alright, you know? Cause you look good, everything alright. Drink my water, yeah. Me thirsty. You not thirsty?
One home to your woman.
Come good. I'm going to try food. It's alright. Oh, go on, General.
There, man.
Thing alright?
There.
Yo, you see me, you have to try to be a girl it's like me. Yo, you see a girl like? Yeah, man. Me girl like, brother. The big girl is like me, you know.
Hey, girl is. What you say? Alright, my boss.
You know what I mean? Because look more, you know. And she gonna link up and we are gonna go out and have a nice time, you know what I mean? Yo, you see earlier on, you have a brownie down so. And me a sort out and thing. Yeah, man, my girl them this. That lane and my lane, brother. You have to be girls like me. Top man will be in the area, general. See? Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. Alright. See, sir? What you mean? Fuck me down. Hold them.
Boy, girl clown can't tap make. You ever have icky pan you and make one of your woman them bright needed? You're not so tough.
I think can you come?
Hey, so here we go on. Bop, bop.
Come on, the fuck around on, come on.
My girl, that. I look more, we have a link up. There you go. You know what I mean? Go eat something, you know what I mean? Or, no, take a eat us. We can't work out something.
That can't work out.
Come on.
They can't just come by me one bottle of water and then want look me.
No matter that, man. You are.
Serve! Serve!
Yeah.
Good afternoon. Can I get one bottle of water, please? I'm thirsty.
Tough.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, what happened? Now what happened? Now what happened me? I'm just see a while ago na kiss the guy now. Lie? Which lie? Me just see you kiss the nigga a while ago. Me give you a chance. And I still can't do it again. Yo. Can't believe girls, you really go do that again after me really give you a chance and you tell me say nah do it again. I'm really put my trust in you, still go do it. I don't want to do things and I'm sorry after. So you know what you do for me? Just come off of my phone. Can't believe something is really happened to me again, Jaja. Father God, why me so bad look it so? Why? Why? Why me? Why me can't just find a proper woman in my life though? Cha.
Babes. What happened? Where can pan people phone from? What do you mean by that? Hold on there. May I take a seat? Hold on.
In my life, why I be a cross is me I pick up. Yo.
I don't understand them something here, you know. What you talk about? I don't know what you talk about. I'm clueless. Alright, don't hear me I come right now. I don't understand them something here what you say to me. Junior! Can I make sure I call me? I'm looking at him. Junior! Junior! I Tony I call my phone for all an idea, yeah. When I call my phone for? Hello? What you want, Tony? I'm not leave with you no way, I'm just answer what you want. I'm in a good mood today. I'm not plan to let my yard today, you know. How what? What you really say to me? Alright, I soon come then. Give me 15 minutes. It's not a problem. Tony!
Come on, Tyson now.
You want to say what Jonah him just call me and tell me about him brother call him and tell him say me a cheat on him.
What you say to me?
Yes sir, so when you call me and tell me say you catch your woman as a co-man too. Me I feel say then I could have really have one idea. I could have really cast them missing thing.
Hold on there. Cause the rain come down, I'm lock up the window there. I like it real far. Okay, I even good on the phone now. I tell her say if I did me and for your shoes and probably say I disrespect you. See me right now, I'm not gonna mash up the girl.
Honey, don't know about with that right now. Me understand what you're saying. You know. Tell me what real go on. What you say I'm with you on her?
Kim, that's my 3-year anniversary. My girlfriend said I never carry it. So I go book a hotel room. I never have no money in my pocket to take no taxi come home. So on the way walking come home. You know say do me see girl I bust out one nigga tongue.
You can say to me.
She never bust out my tongue so yet you know, never you know.
Then you don't know what to say. As you are telling me this a story, I see him thing with me today with my man. Junior really call me today and let him say, oh, him brother. Tell him say him see me down a hotel with man. Poor me, you know. Poor me. I don't know what Junior brother could have seen me with man. And he call me and tell me how sort of foolishness. Can't what there. I say me a go down a boy yard. And me a beat down the grill and me a call and he in a house and him not answer me. I call Junior phone, Junior not answer. I text him, he not answer. I holler down my throat while him not answer. I don't know what to do next. You think I look struggle, me and Junior struggle over the years? You think I look fight, me and him fight? I don't go hungry, we'll be here together, you know? You want me to tell me, say?
Hush man.
Junior really
Stop it crying man, you're not crying man. Things are better man. Oh. Stop it crying man, everything got alright with them man. Stop it crying.
Why Junior not do this to me?
I just so life set man. Just stop crying for me now please now. Please no, stop crying now. Stop crying man. Wipe out your face yeah. Stop crying push.
Make sure I keep out between me and your secret, you know. Come in and nobody know.
That good man can't keep that secret. But I wish you never have to go so early.
Yeah, I go down and go cook some food here. We call you later. Alright. Hello? Junior? What? Prank? What do you mean a prank you did a prank me? Me mama clock.
Was bet something, you know.
You say you can't play jobs now.
I like when you know so me can't play them. I bet your girl know.
So what you have to do? Can't bet for your girl too, you know.
So you give me first move, see table line out there, you know. I have flip a kind.
Go flip the kind then, man. Man, sure. You take first player, man.
Alright. Check me now, I regret that.
See your girl, we have big plans to do.
Yeah, I lose, man. Looks like the girl pretty, you know, daddy.
Man, play a game if you play a game, you know, man.
See, you're confused. You're not this is how you play. You play, man, I'm not thief, man. You think you that man a fever? Look like you don't like your girl, little brother. Alright, you play again. Swear.
Game too early, man.
Yeah, you talk about me don't know if you play a game, and you don't know if you play a game. Watch out.
Wagwan, yes, sir.
Wagwan, come here. You ain't more and papa off, you know. Feel no, you know. A long time I want to chop off this man neck, you see me? See how it's a break me again, you see?
Big match this thing up. Think kind of play a thing.
Betting there, no, general. I will not change the betting. And girl where I play for.
Like somebody are gonna lose them girl today. But it's not me.
You are going now. I don't flip my crime, because me that win the call. So I take the first play.
Watch out now. You dead first.
Brain me I use for you.
Stop brain I use. And that dead one that.
So when you're in a deep position, you take a deeper chance.
I use that brain.
See I trap that. So I left you another hole if you a while. See I trap that.
It's a big oof you get. Big oof you get.
So you don't know the game. Watch your hole of your belly report now. Better player. I rock with that hole of your neck belly tear out the whole belly.
Me never
in the network.
Me never
You can't believe that me do.
Me never see.
So powerful me being in them thing, brother. Whole of 6 or 5 take the whole of it. When him go so, bam. Him go so bam. Ramping me, you count alone if you're a bad man. With about 2 little soldier, you know.
Me never see.
Better push up yo, better take your girl, brother. Play. Like you want me to say, oof, your taste, brother. Oh, sorry.
Never say you get oof first.
No, I'm gonna ride them game, brother. That's why I'm gonna play, brother. Because you know say you're gonna lose your flesh.
What one, Papa?
You know, some day I go and take a walk on the road there.
So which part on the road did they go?
Right now, sister, I like to put my mind, you know, so...
So what kind of things you upon your mind? So what kind of things you upon your mind?
You know, say one bag of things from picnic days.
Papa, what really happened to you? You look like you really have something on your mind. You ever tell me, you know, me you grew up and you ever tell me what's upon your mind?
You know, say nothing too tough still, but I'm from youth days. Because me I go to school, me always have them dream business and, you know, and I have this wet dream business, but never know say in a man in them things that happen. Never really have no family that talk to me about this. And when me there at school, me always afraid because I think it will happen when me there at school. Even when me there road, I walk up and me see me and I look for no reason.
That you never want to tell me? Papa, that is how it goes. Even big man or men still have them something there. So you don't have to worry about that. You soon grow it out.
No man, I grew up that long time, man. It's just something will come back up in the head. You know, when time something come up in the head, you just mention it back. You just feel like express yourself.
Yeah man, I said them something there go man. Anyway, I go about my business. You hear, so later we talk.
Alright, youngness. Take time. Alright.
You know, so I'm concerned about your brother, Popeye. I'm really concerned about Popeye.
You can't concern about Popeye. You say Popeye a madman. Anyways, what you say do?
You know, so you don't go on so. You don't go on so. You know, see, I go to you, make him a behave so. Because look, while I go, I see him and I come down and I say to me, say, yo, he might think about all type of things and he might think about puberty and when he did young, anything, so he might go to school, he might go have puberty, but he never knows say a morning time it happen. You have to go talk to him, you know, man, because I want somebody to talk to. Talk
What
to
kind
him.
of puberty think business you come to me about? What kind of foolishness you come to me about? What about puberty? What kind of argument that you come to me about? I heard me for running out of the bus, you know. Why for that, man? What kind of puberty argument you come to man about?
Sir, calm down. It's not puberty, it's puberty. Say puberty, not puberty. Puberty?
You think of school me there?
You know what? Me now waste my bread pan this. Uno up there, uno family member up there make papa stay so. Me come out to your bus and left you. Bye.
Yes, a girl come slam man door come talk about puberty. Yes, I want Popeye. The man there waste man.
You have a condom?
Yeah, man. Let me buy it. Alright, here we go. Me go shop right now, quick, and hope it don't lock, and me come back. Come in and know what the man give me the Advil and I...
Alright. Go on fast and come back. Hurry up.
I'm coming. Babes,
Yeah.
it's sexy for me. You soon coming up?
Yeah.
Don't move, yeah? Why, my herbs are bad, you know? Tell her. Herbs wicked, man.
Yeah, man, but boy, you want to try this one, yeah? Lick me chip right now, try you, may I see.
Man, you really come so? I don't care no condom. Big old Advil. I might have just call one next man too.
Serve! Oh man, can't believe, man. Can't believe. What is that? Is that a sign? What's that? Serve! Yeah, man, see window up now. Yo, brother, may I beg you one favor there? Nothing can go on for me in the shop there tonight, please.
Boy, I know so nothing can go on for your shop lock off. Tomorrow business that now, my general, man, will lock off.
Fuck, man. My salsa, man.
Goes on skirt, yeah. Ah, see another more.
Yo, brother, your manners and respect, my boss. Oh, greetings, mommy. Greetings.
Good night, sir.
Yeah, man, my son are going with the vibes, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man, good vibes.
Yeah. Yo, I'm in one situation, brother. But I don't know how to ask and thing, you know what I mean? This is a big embarrassment because I don't really want to feel that way, you know what I mean? But, yo, come here, sir. Come here, please. Just, you no condom for you?
No, so I'm not really on family.
Bahumba, Channel Star. You know, so I come from that shop, but, yo, is everything good? Yeah? Manners and respect, yes, sir? Take it down. Oh. What knife in there? Someone knife in there too. Oh, that man.
Don't answer.
Yo, bro.
Who that? Don't answer.
Yo, man, I fall. Hold that.
Yo, bro, come in, man. Yo.
Come.
Yo, bro. Bro. Dog. Brother, I look like you're under the pressure, but I'm not busy with that. You have a condom, girl, let me, please. Please.
Bro,
Condom.
I'm in the middle of something.
Bro, I'm going to make like something too.
Man, Check. I just used the last one, man.
Oh man.
I gotta go back. I gotta go finish this.
One day if me just raw dog.
Yo, B. Which way there now? Yeah, man. Me 5 meters away from you, you know. I can link you right now, you hear? Yeah, man, just put on something sexy, man. Something short, too. Yo.
Yes, my boss.
What you saying, Mr.
You know, sir, it's a situation I find myself in right now, late night. Yeah, man, because you're going, yo, me buy a condom today, but guess I know, we go to the shop, and things you condom then give me, Advil then give me. I don't understand what I'm going, but tomorrow I start that out, but right now, brother, you're going. You know if you have a spare one, you can bust me, come on, mash our works right now.
Tell him, look at. Yo, I see your situation I'm in right now.
Sure, blouse and skirt. Yo, a raw dog business. Yo, brother, bless up yourself. Yes, sir.
Guidance, man.
Alright, cool.
Guidance.
Boy, you're going yourself, you know, in a way. But when you come here, behave like you're a big fan of jerk.
Something good, man. Good on, man.
I sure I couldn't wait for you to come.
Well, I'm glad I couldn't wait. I'm really glad I couldn't wait. I think we need to do this more often, you know.
Make it. I want it. Baby. Yeah, man, here we are going now. I hope we don't like that one, you know what I mean? Because we got all out phone, you know? We don't want to go enjoy it, you know what I mean? Come and enjoy myself while everybody else enjoy themselves, you know, just to be a part of the whole thing. So guess what now? Like, share, and subscribe, you know what I mean? This is the public report, public with a K, you know what I mean? And also guess what? If you're there public report, go over AV. And if you're there AV, come check me over public report. Like, share, subscribe. And guess what? Thank you so far. Can we reach 2,000 subs, you know? Hey, you know what I mean? So big up on yourself. Keep doing what you're doing, because I like it. Alright? Bless up. This is a public report. Out there!
Action.
Don't answer.
Bro. Man.
What's on front? Raw dog? Father, I'm about to do this raw dog.
Ready? Ready. If it's that, again.
You're not ready for me?
We're ready. Yeah.
Oh.
You know, so me have something for you, ask you.
What that?
I know you call up my name in the community with Kevin. But me and Kevin in a things.
No, sir, girl, you know, so me not do that. Why me would I do that? Me have enough problems up on me yard with my man. Me not have time for you to walk and talk your business. I know me do that, man.
Remember, say I alone know my business, in a brother. And I like, say me I sit down and chat with nobody else. And that's why. And me hear everybody a chat about Kevin every time I pass. So me I wonder why I pray for did say nothing to nobody and a member or want somebody opinion.
No, sir, you know, so me not do that.
I just want to know, girl. And you know, I just like that. So anyway, I not go to day in a place. You know. People are calling my name all road and I love it.
How are you a plan to go?
You mean? You know, say nothing there, yes, girl. Me can't say yes, sir.
The man them up here so just corrupt and stay one way. And if you ask them something, or ask them for a favor, even for help and your dead brother, you don't know to youth. Them a come go and like say a friend they want to be a woman eater up there so. Can't stay here so brother. But they want me mad out.
I true you know girl, cause even if me man up on me yard, he come like say if me not give him nothing, it's a problem. Every minute he just done in my skin, he want. He come like say he can't satisfy all in a night. Me I wonder if a motor work this a man here. Every minute he want. 5 minutes after we done, he want again. And if me not give him, a problem.
Me don't know how you deal with him. Me know say your man and everything, man and tell her nothing fi pray your man or nothing. But me not trust him. He come like say every woman he see want, brother. Me don't know if you see still, you know. Me not tell her nothing for go advertise and for go beat up on your man up there. But take a note of your man. Every girl him see want. And me see that about him.
Boy, that's a film business. I can't go up before you start call off my name. You're some good willing. Later, take care of yourself.
Yeah, man. And one more Sarah again.
Yo, babes, ready again, you know. Babes. 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 How are you then? So you ready for round 2?
Again, warm to yourself. Let's just give yourself out. I want to feel your body, so I'm tired, man. I'm tired.
What do you mean say you're tired? I'm Michelin a ball, so I'm tired, you know. I'm not tired. Just babes. I could do it again, man. I don't know, man. When you good, you good, man.
No, I'm tired, man. You know, say a parent should not pay me, because every minute me I walk out my body. I'm not even have no little money.
I think so in a relationship. Everything in the house, me take care, right, you know. I don't like say, if you want clothes, me not buy. If you here want do, me not do it. So you mean so me should not give you money? So hold on, what you try to tell me, say? I buy sex from you?
I don't sell me, I sell. But then I get nothing in a life for free. Every minute you just under my skin. Me can't even count how much time last night you wake me up.
Everything there, I take care of. If you want food, you get food. If you want clothes, you get clothes. If you hear want do, me do you hear. So why problem? No, there shouldn't be no issue. You know, see you kill my vibes. You kill my vibes. Not to feel like I want nothing again. You know, see a woman like you with them type of behavior. Make man go road. You know, forget it.
You say me no man in a work, you now go walk. Let me speak.
Yo, what different to do? I'm brown girl, see? But the phone just nice so. One brown girl named Kira, see? She live around here, so you know about her? Because I guess I know, based on the facts I'm hearing, you know, I think I'm around that area she live in, you know what I mean? But more I know if you know about her, yo, if you think, turn up with her.
Yeah, man, I down the road. She have a man still, you know. But me know how your thing come down. You know business about that. But, you know, what me want to ask you now, what make you interested in that, the freaky girl, eh? Why?
What you mean? Freaky? Here I go on still. You see, my thing said different still, you know. Because if she want to do the thing to me, fear choice that. You know what I mean? I now do that to her because you know my thing set already. I love it. You know what I mean? Have some fun. And if she want to have fun, me have fun with limits. But guess what I'm going to say? I don't so she live. Yo, have a picture. I'll show you right now. See? You think a joke, I mean, when you identify and make sure say she you talk about
And she see you one, man. Alright, don't listen she live, man. And she see you one this time, you know. Alright, don't listen she live, man. We know you get her, You see what I go get her, man. The skill like that, man. So anyway, I have a run still, you know, so we link up. I remember, she freaky.
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah, man, me just run come in and town, come grab something fast to eat.
Oh.
A long time I don't see you neither, you good though?
Yeah, man, we good.
You sure?
Yeah, man.
You look good. Fat out.
Hey, good. Yeah, man, we good. You know, see, my boyfriend me away on him gone a machine, so I just grab something to eat at the same time, you know?
Wow, the right thing, girl. Step up. I'm proud of you. Alright.
Yeah.
I should beg her to buy some Popeyes to me, but I tell you, sir, might find a girl, man. In the meantime, one or two. A piece of longy man, chop on pants here. Rough. I want to be old girl, that man. Yes, she's here, man. Apple. Check her so hard. Apple. Yo.
Wow, public.
Apple, what go on? See if I run this, I say to myself, say if I really you, I can't believe saying you, because yo, it's a good feeling to see you. Long time no see you still, you know what I mean? But still let me want to know say, you know, we can link up back, because yo.
Why you're not changing, huh? You stay same. You never ask me how I do or nothing, you just want to link up back. Any woman get them, I'm sorry for them, you know.
Stop going somewhere. You're going again like when, you know, me get like a trouble, you know what I mean? Because me always do a thing, you know. Don't know anything.
So what go on? What know what you do down here?
You me see, you know, I'm really, yo, I miss you, I'm not lie. You know what I mean? I go straight to it. I'm not go around the bush and make you feel like some more, you know, Cinderella story and all these things. But you know one right now. See me in town, yeah? You know what I'm
Madam man, listen. Right now, I have to go home to my boyfriend. And if you understand, so this is not going to work out. You're still not change. You're still a drunk girl. You see?
Can't believe, hey, let me even get a number. I want a number. I can call you.
Public later, me I come go my yard, yeah.
I can't go in machine here, because or something I can't even work over there. It's alright. Rough.
People don't give up nothing in this, so.
One girl that looks sexy tonight. One can't do tonight. One can't get home tonight.
Watch ya. Man, you leave me alone, my boyfriend and police.
One minute means if a man a police. You don't have to tell him. Me not have to know.
You know, hear me say man a police. As a matter of fact, in the town right now.
Just because you look so good, you behave so. Like how you behave. Sure you look so good and sexy and round. You behave so. And like when man tell you say you look good. You think good still.
say look very familiar. Look like somebody who needs to be a part of my life, you know what I mean? Wow, but tell me something. Are you from around here?
Then I owe your mouth sweet, so sir. You caught my attention still. Yes, I'm from around here.
That's so nice, you know what I mean? Because right now, I tell you, it's a blessing right now just to see you, and I really want to forget to know you the right way, you know what I mean? Because a girl looking like you, my size, you know what I mean? Like I eat some strong food, you know what I mean? Yeah, heavy. Hey, but seriously though, you strike me as my type of girl, and a girl like you, you know, I would really want it to be a part of my life. My name is Kima. What's your name, baby girl?
Yeah, nice to meet you too. My name is Ashley. And that not sound bad, because I'm single already for mingle. I mean, like, we don't have no body. That not sound bad. Can't worry. Can't see where we can go.
Yeah, man, that me I talk about this. Right, that's what they say thing for you. Because you're my type of girl, and guess what, I'm single too, you know. Nothing I go on a certain level, because I wait for you. You missing out on my thing. So guess what I go on now? My number, you have to get it. Your number, me have to get it. Because we have to do one thing. Alright?
Well, alright.
Watch ya.
You don't feel go on, so.
You want to go on now? I don't live too far from here, so, you know what I mean? And when I really want to, you know, introduce you to my place, because a girl like you, a queen like you, I need to, you know, come know my place and you know all these things. You know, so I don't know if we can link up like us. And later on, and we just, you know, get certain things started out, you know what I mean? So tell me what you think.
You know, I don't live too far from the place either. I live right down there, so. But you sound like a really nice guy. Like them kind of guy the way not to treat ladies bad and stuff. So like how you don't live far and me don't live far from the town. We can just go grab a drink or something because I'm not really ready.
Hey, as a matter of fact, I know a nice place, you know, I know a spot where I fit me and you know what I mean? Set them nice, like a mood, you know? Alright, and if you want to get rude, it's up to you to away.
Rude? Well, we don't know why that might turn out to be.
Let's go! I'm ready. You know what I mean? Come on. So let's see how going on now. Ready, you know?
Ready, you know, BS, but I have no money, you know, I can't owe you till next week. You know, trust.
What? You know no money? Broke girl broke my vibes, you know? You know what I mean? Yo, enough things, enough expenses go on this side, you know? It's the body I have to go to the gym every weekend and go work out and keep up. You know what I mean? I have to drink up my roots and my tonic. I think the engine is easy for run. Yeah, come talk about money if I not trust till next week. Where you are going with? You better check yourself, yeah, sir.
This me have to put back this in the taxi here.
This can't work.
What? 5 bills, 5 minutes? Something wrong with you, you know? Take it on my face. Something wrong with you. Something not going on with you. You really come here, sir, and you know say you want your sort out. Saying, and you really are come with 5 bills.
Come no man, 5 minutes at $500. Alright, let me feel him.
Step away, man. Back up, man. We are going away. You can't go on a business, you know?
5 minutes, we $500.
$500? No, that can't work out. 5 bills? You really left here with 5 bills?
Alright, then make me feel it for $500.
You think I bend down this? You think I feel it? If you don't have your money, you can't speak. Don't tell the broke girl broke my vibes. You know what I mean? So guess what you have to do? You don't have no money, you don't have no talk. So better you step away, sir. Come on, where you depend. A joke business, you depend. You really left, look at night, full moon. If the moon not even full, look up in the sky. And you left your yard with no money. And you want? No, sir. Check yourself, man. Check yourself. I bet some face you have some scam you have. You have money for you. I bet you have money.
Stop going, son, man. All the while I'm coming out with money and in 1 little time I have no money. You know what you give me? Stop going, son, man.
JPS now say wait, you know. When you go down a utility place to go pay your bill, them tell you say, alright, you can't owe till next week. Eh? That don't work as a mama. So you go and take your 5 bills and take your time go here. Me not depend where you depend. Business me a deal with, so you can't go and cool out.
Stop going, son, man. A farm you come from, you're going to make me come so far for nothing at all. Just give me something, man. Just one little bit, please. I will want this out there.
So when you ride me for free,
Me I'll give
who
you
will
some
get the
money when you
benefit?
come back. Just take your 5 and I'll give you some money when you come back.
Me can't wear my sachin?
Hey, boy, don't make me hold it and I'll take it, you know.
Wait, easy. You can't wear my sachin? You can't wear my sachin? When you go in my sachin shop, and him say, wow, hing, hon. What him say to you? Hey, I go. No sense it. So you hold it and cool out. I don't understand the 5 bills thing and I go like you want to feed. For free. Hey, step away from the vehicle. No money, no love. As I say, broke girl broke my vibe. You know how expensive it is to keep this? Do me here and all these things? You go to gym and all these things. Take which 5 bills?
Business. Well, go and baby, me have 10 grand, you know.
10 grand? Alright,
You can go on.
You hold the 5 bills. Come in, you can't. There's something wrong with you, Ron.
Hold on there. Oh, you come so quick for my 10 grand.
What do you mean?
Yeah, you come too quick for my 10 grand, and I feel like I want half of my money back. That was too quick.
Let me tell you, business is business, you know.
Me not get my money's worth.
You don't get your money's worth? Well, you have to just work with that, you know. Because I saw your system work, you know.
First thing first, you know, I have to get back my money, you know. Because number one, you're sitting too little. You come too quick. And you not do it right. Me not ask you, just depend. You stop like you're idiot for a long time and not get no.
Wait, what you say a while ago? Eh? You ever see one truck jump in one ocean? Eh? You ever see truck jump in an ocean? Eh? I'm gonna tell you something. Business is business, you know. If you come on the road and me I help you out, if sort you out, and me I fear go through all manner of evil, because I don't understand you think money is all? You know what I mean? You give me 10 grand, you try to give me 100 grand. Your 10 grand done, your money done. You know what I mean? You should have come.
My money done. I say you cock little, you can tell me about truck and swim in the ocean. And you hood small, you hood little. You little talawa. But my something big. If I never one thing, I just tell you something bad in the night. But you see, through a 10 grand, I just make it go on, because your cock small and I walk and tell everybody. Remember me know you know? Me I go tell all like
Thanks, your dream. What kind of life that? No, sir. Come like a murder. If I call my virgin right now, I see I walk at a number that not cash back. Crosses. Yeah. No, sir. No, sir. Hello? Hey, what go on, brother? Everything good? Brother, if I tell you what kind of dream. Yo, I say I have a dream, brother. Yo, it's rough. I'm glad to see a dream, a dream. In a cash pot.
One take care. You know, bad girl in you, that's at 21 in you.
But, man prostitute. Yeah. Yo, I say I have a dream, brother. Yo, it's rough. I'm glad to see a dream, a dream. Yeah, man. Alright. Bless up. Humble rice. What if I want to real something?
this woman everything he make bad eye. He couldn't go on out, man. One little time he see him with me make be a problem. Yo, brother, walk on. Yeah, brother. Yeah, be a problem, my youth. Yeah? The woman down there be a cousin and go on the most way. And she knows me nice with her. We just come out and say me come take some cool please. You want to hear she go on my youth? Eh? And that I go on. So I could have make she miss up herself, so. Eh? She mad? No, you know, brother. True, she see little mark for me. She a go on the most. You don't know, say me a done, brother. We just ease himself sometime when we come in, we just relax. Right. I differently do. We just see man like you, so you do on the road. Yo, you know what I say? A little thing going on, I win a piece of money, yo. And if you tell her, brother, yo, I want a little thing, because I really, yo. And when I'm down, you did the same, yo. So just help yourself, you know? Yeah, man. Man, I respect you, man. Tell her. What this can do for me? So, but differently, how I go on? As me I say, brother, I win a piece of money in a yacht. You understand? Licky cash pack, man. Wicked. Mr. China for your ball. But watch you know. Tell a story. You know, Kemar. You can hear that boy around there, so. Man call me out and I tell me a story about Jim. Say, woman, I hold him down. All of them thing there. Yo, them boy, they are idiot, man. Yeah. Boy, girl, I hold him down. I be man right there, them boy, the girl. So make him go on. And I tell. I follow him. Alright. So I just go so bad, man. Rakes up. I give me rakes too, you know. But I don't know what going on for him. But I rakes up the same way. I say, alright. Fool people lucky, you know. So I just go buy no, but them I see it, you're out. You can't have money if it's spent, eh? Wait, man. How are you, youth? Well, guess what, no? Glad I catch a rake. Just that. I'm glad. Yeah. But watch you pray now. You know, so I'm not too tired because I have some things to match up. You understand? So, I just a piece of food when they come here. Yeah, man. You understand? Yeah, man. I make a move same way, man. Because I have a little thing to deal with. I make it with the food. I deal with it. See me, I say? So, I make it move. Alright.
Search for this idiot boy again. I can't bother anyone. I call the boy and I get him. You know, so I call dollars. Call dollars.
Brittany.
Does. Might have come look for him.
Yeah? So your man there?
Could eat that boy going about his business. Yeah, might have come up here come look for me.
Alright, say no more. I'm going to the store and get a boots and flour.
Alright.
Chop. How you with this one? Yeah, man. Get it, man. I'm there, no man. You know, sir. You're supposed to look there. I walk up and down like this. I don't know where they keep it. Now check it. Keep your money. Keep your money. Yeah. Keep your money. Keep your money. You was on the brand new pack, man. Brand new pack. You need to never let me sit here. Alright, say no more, yeah?
There.
Take care of you, man.
Boy, not going good.
Not going good. When they?
I know when gone.
So, fast. Fast. So,
I say one fire, I mean man on a moving and thing, living.
I mean, fire just left. I mean to see a long time man, the girl the man. I want to say I go down the door. Now go down there.
But take back your man and let me get back me woman.
You see all them straying and them on them Bible stuff. No work. You have to come and work, do your hours them, and go work at your yard.
So about the soup them, I tell about the soup. Anytime the soup them come around, the people them run up and down. I wonder why.
Soup. Monday you can't, when they say Monday ask you for jump, just ask how high. You may tell you? Because the Monday them get the orders. As a matter of fact, you just get the order from the soup. Because the Monday get the orders from Andrew. Anybody this Andrew if you lock them up. You could have hear Andrew. You're supposed to reach to feel them. You see me? You don't worry about thief and criminal and this. A waste of time that. We get more money if we go for people with this Andrew. Anybody hear this Andrew will carry me in. If you don't have to carry me in, you plan something on it. You see me I say? Anybody you just want to know say one thing is Andrew.
And you know say me here say anyhow you win again. Everybody in iPhone I get one clocks. I see all iPhone 13, 14, something like that.
Like we're not getting no call now, just go on now, my business. So we can't wait to sleep.
Alright. Hello, this is Redgrove Police Station. Hello, officer. Hello. How may I help you?
Good evening.
Good evening.
You know, say I'm just coming and I'm going to take my money. And please, me after my phone, I can't come and give me back my money.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, I will need some information from you. I will need your address and your name, please.
What does that have to do with my money with anything?
Ma'am, I need to know your address so I can come. So tell me your address and your name.
Okay. Negril.
Alright, so Negril Bottom Row. What's your name? I didn't hear you.
Let me talk to her. Hello, Susie?
Hello.
Detective Red Boot here. We don't have any gas in our vehicle.
If I did Andrew, I would have find gas too.
You know, we have special treatment for Andrew. Where he's a king. He's a king.
What is the friend? Which king?
He's a bro god.
So about me?
We don't value you.
You know, blood run through your body like when I have blood run through your body.
He's a special kind.
You know?
He's a special kind. He's a bro god.
Yeah, Andrew goes cut me big.
Just tell her to come on, please.
Come on.
We know if you find you.
Shorty. Look at man, everybody work with us something there now. Because I don't know how it tight so. You Shorty? How are you putting that? A crazy girl putting that? A girl like you. You Shorty? How are you putting that? You good though?
Yeah man, me just like how you take care of my body.
My ex-man.
I can't that them a girl, yeah. My girl, the man don't want you.
Yo, me take a restraint order up on a girl already, you know. Come out of me out.
Hey, come out of that.
Yo, how would that? Girl, come out. Wait.
Hey.
No, this is serious. Yo, Shadi, give me phone there. Give me phone there.
Babes, call the police. Make you handle this, I swear.
Yo, girl, go put on that something there. Mister, go put it down. Mama, me left, mama, go put it down.
Hello? Red Boots Police Station?
Officer, you know. Ex-girlfriend that me had right now. And he have a gun and he have a knife. She be me moving a new girl in my house and now she want to kill me because of that.
Verify address for me, no?
Yeah, on the hillside me live, yeah. Third house. Yeah, she kick off the door there after up and come now. What you say? No, I'm in the White House, man. Yo, you know no girl, me take Christian out all about fire attack till man. Me just take Christian out that man over there. What mean say you don't know? Yes, I be said one man. What time come and yard man when she beat me up? What?
So you know how much shot is in the gun?
Let me say, what kind of gun? I don't know what kind of gun. I'm going to ask you what kind of gun. I'm going to have bullets in that gun. Let me say, what kind of bullet? Hey, yeah, yo, no, don't jab, you know. When I laugh on station for.
Okay, but I'm sorry we don't have any vehicle now, you know. We don't have any vehicle, no vehicles here. Vehicle.
Oh, you know not what? You know no vehicle. Oh no, never no vehicle in an emergency yet. Yo.
Alright.
Everything good, everything myself, everything good. Charlie, come here, turn up if she kick off the door, turn up there. If she fire one shot, go down low. You hear me say? If she kick the door, you still turn up and go down low if you fire the shot. You have an idea. Do a video. Can you do the video them Andrew them find you quick? Yo, Andrew, me nah go nowhere. You could look every time. You early time I want to mama. What him right now? Dirty boy. Idiot. This a better. You can slow there, nothing slow there. Aren't there? Yo!
My girl, go on here, yeah. The man don't want you. What do you want? Go on here, yeah.
Yo, look what going on social media. Somebody this broken again. Yo, I'm sharing.
Yes, Red Boot Police Station. Say what? Call Andrew. I'm coming. Call Andrew name. You can call my boss name. Yeah? Who's the Andrew? What's the Andrew? Sorry. What's the Andrew? Who's the Andrew? Yo, put it on.
Yo, officer.
You're under arrest for the illegal use of the word Andrew and for dissing Brogan.
So yo, hear me answer now? Yeah, daddy. Yo, me calling a while ago. I'm calling and telling them say my girlfriend ex-woman out at the door, you know. Yo, police, I'm just calling a while ago, you know. Only say no drive and not down there, you know. The forward, you know.
I'm tell you my ex-girlfriend out the door with gun and pick off the door, you know. So if I wash it there, best not pass her with the gun and everything. That kill her when she kill me then. Yes man, I'm just called now while ago general. You understand me? I say, so if me never say Andrew name, uno come and make she get wet. You know what I mean? This have go up on CVM and JBC
Sir?
and TVJ.
I'm unable to tell you that from the said word Andrew. It's my duty to find you anywhere he is, anywhere you are, and lock you up. I don't care about no gunman, no gunwoman, or nothing else. Just the word Andrew. Don't you dare use that word again.
Alright, tell Andrew, sorry boss. Tell Mr. Andrew, your boss said, I apologize for using name, but I only way to save my life because when you now come, if you know you're a gunman there, but as me say Andrew, before me could have say all next, you kick off the door next. Everything good.
Talk to your mother about, talk to your mother for you. You know, for yourself, you know, make you beat you. You know, have to talk to him, little man. Then it's dirty. Alright, so good. Alright, normal.
See your bicyclist? You ready? I file already?
Put the scooter, Paul.
Alright.
I'm ready now.
I talk to your mother too, so you get me on it, May I talk to you? I say may I talk to him so you get me on it. I'm not making it.
Alright, no talking, you talk. Ready now? Action. What me expect you to do, you know? I continue to walk. And when you continue to walk, can you see when I walk more? No, you can't. Exactly.
When you see me angry, you can this?
Yeah. Come on, like you're ready to kill him with the candy. You know me I say candy? Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Talk to body dog. Body dog. Talk to body dog. Body dog. Some young guy come down to the device. What's your attitude? Curious people, I respond to them. Come now. Yeah, love it. A curious response to them.
Let me check in now. What she want grandma just a chat so. Ready?
Alright, sorry, you got Jenny, calm down.
Be sure. Be 100% sure.
Ready now? Ready.
Not candy. Listen, man. Miss Candy, wait now.
Oh, big boy, come.
Miss Candy, wait now.
No,
Me I beg you not to lick him.
Why? Why me not feel big boy?
When
You
I
know
lick-
what big boy do?
When me do? Miss Candy,
Come
wait
on,
now.
now.
Nobody lick him.
Me see how long it can run.
When you lick them too much.
No, that's the big left that point. Take out the mic itself. Pull out the mic and I'll rubber.
Okay, I'm going to see phone.
Pop me here, Candy. Alright, Candy. What you do if you talk to me first, please? Let's do some chatting. What you do some chatting? Until the window, very honest. Just do some talking.
You chat too much. Yeah. Grandma! Where am I shut up? Jesus Christ. How we send central? How we central and then eh? We central.
Ah, we should talk about it then, Albert. Hold on. We should talk about it. 1 minute then. Can we think by now they're not dead? I wanna say hello. And a Nablet is. Nablet toy. Alright, you talking everything. You think by now you're gonna walk in and say hello. Alright, ready now, Candy.
What do you mean me not feel it?
Candy not lick him now.
Why me not feel
Me a beg for you.
You a beg for big boy? You know a big boy do? Me send big boy for me money and big boy take it keep big old party in the same money in friend them. All your son involved in it. Big boy spend me money and buy how much liquor and you go tell me yo come here.
And you make me not lick him.
You come here and tell one laughing thing and be serious and me money big boy use the money to go pay a woman.
Candy, when I lick with too much, I lick out them things. That's why I not have no sense.
So you used to get liquor in a small?
Wally pally.
Two not too bad. Come here.
Candy, you mean now? Nobody lick him, man.
I work hard if me not lick me wanna pick me when he do something wrong.
Candy, I lick out his sense.
I'm a fact a thief in thief and you're not supposed to thief. Me not teach you to thief. You're not supposed to take things when I give to you. Me not understand that. No, you, woman. Me know you long time and me don't want you to pick up. Don't hold on for my son and they tell me say me not feel lick him. What you mean? Is your son?
No, Candy.
Alright, hold on now. Good man, you're young girl.
And when you want to sit down, he goes out. I can't sit and do him.
Alright,
No, sir.
Candy.
Don't want too much big thing.
Look over there. What you say?
Alright, sometimes we'll be a man and
Right.
get too distracted. Alright. Please, don't distract you. I want people to this minute, you have to fans, you have to know about it. So you are going now. Candy a cuss. You want to you have to find one way to calm him down. Tell him one story, me don't know. Candy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know she said that, but that alone no sound convincing. Tell him, sit man, Candy, me understand, so you're angry. And you can't find the money.
You have to try to calm
But me I put myself in your shoes. You know what I'm saying? Start to man, I put myself in your shoes. Me know say I pick me and he rude. And he probably shouldn't keep no party because you never tell him to keep party or whatever. You understand? But me know say there must be a way where you can solve it without have to lick him. Because if you lick him, he now carry back him money. So, no beat him, man. No beat him. Because she chucky there. Me no beat chucky, you know. You understand? That's why he's so smart. You understand? So talk to him, man. Go on with your mother. I can't no lick him, man. Me know a long time me know you. And a long time you know me. Go talk to him, man. Alright, go and go talk to your mother. And boy, behave yourself, man. Don't make you do there again. Me I come go back up here now because I chuck you up a yard. You know, talk to him, man. But if you only say, no lick him, man. I'll kick you out of the movie. You not convince me. Just convince him, man.
Yeah, man, can work out. So
Alright,
let's see,
so come now,
great
you're turning
things.
off the convince. I'll try mine.
How we are sending?
Without
a BTS this.
Different try sound. That's what I need to do. Because me think the sound different when I use it without the mic. Lapel, I make it sound.
Then I want to go in our house, here? Then I want to go in our house.
Lapel.
Very.
Alright, you see lapel, where lapel do, it make it sound muffled. Easy. You understand?
What it up?
Yo, Alton has suffer mentally right now, is a shame.
Big boy, that's not.
Really big boy, alright.
Man, like he doesn't want to run off. No, God.
Candy, ready now.
One more time.
Alton, come here, dad. Alton, you can't relax, man. Wait a minute, better. Look at the show this scene. Man, for record, man. Because you must can't be. Brother, relax to my youth. Yeah, but the man I record, just relax 1 second, dog. You know, after just.
Alright, ready. Carry time and keep up. And we have more people to do and she go far. Come.
Cut out that there.
Yeah, leave your man.
Maybe they have to take it before they go, but we want don't see them go take them and take and then go.
Hey, Candy,
Candy, I don't think
Come back, Candy, don't chill. That can't come in you. Yo, me say, yo, fry, you make a hot meal. No, me know some sick over weekend.
Then you see a throw, look at me for throw.
Because we're going to have Christmas cake.
No, so we'll make Candy.
No, some
no candy.
I buy them by. Yo, I tell you, say, like you mash up your whole day, no, dog. Vomiting, running belly. Me I'm back them again. Unless I'm a baby.
Oh, buy.
Buy. Market like. A story.